Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can split or cut video in Filmora 12. So now, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials, and now let's jump right into the video, because this video is all about not wasting time, and let's jump right into the video, and let's cut to the chase without wasting any seconds. So what you have to do, just make sure you open Filmora, and here what you have to do to cut the video is pretty much very simple. There's a couple of ways. First method, you select the video, and you select the video, and then you move your cursor, this line here, cursor I think it's called, you move it, and if you want to cut somewhere, just click on this icon right over here. Okay, when you pressed on that, when you clicked on it, now you can move the video, which means that you cut the video. If you click on here, now you move the video, you have two parts. Okay, you cut exactly where the cursor was situated. If you're situated here, you click cut, now you have another one. If you want to undo, make sure you press Ctrl Z. You can also go here to undo something, sorry, here. You can also click here. And if now there's another way to cut, you can also select the video, position the cursor, and then you can also click on this cut. Okay, and there's another way also, you can also press Ctrl B, that's a shortcut without moving your you have to move your cursor, but without clicking here, we're going here, here, you can simply just move your cursor, Ctrl B. You can also change your keywords, shortcut. You can click on here, file, and here you should have something, keyboard shortcuts, and here you should search for split, and you can see tools split. For me it's Ctrl B, and I think this is the default quick split mode. You can also change from selecting mode, so when you select your video, to split mode. If I could press on S, and you'll see now I have and now if I press on S, so yeah, you can also change your shortcuts. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, for more Filmora tutorials, and also if you have any suggestions for the next Filmora tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and take care.